Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
My bag today, son.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a challenge.
Pop, pop, pop.
This was created by Steph and Tosh, and it's 7 tacos in 7 minutes. But Tasha or Stephanie didn't do the challenge. It was actually Peter. So we're gonna try to beat Peter's time and how much tacos he ate. I believe he ate about 3.5. He was very close to 4. But Stephanie kept on talking to him.
Okay, so I gotta say, if that's Peter, I'm Tom.
Oh Lord Jesus.
Alright.
So our strategy is, I don't know yet. You guys know I eat slow, so please, alright? I'm gonna try to eat 2 tacos at a time. I don't know if my mouth can manage. No.
2 tacos?
I know.
You taking it big time, son. You going hard, B.
I'm going hard for the challenge, Mario.
So what you doing? Get them together?
I'm getting it together. You know, I don't want to waste no time.
So you gonna throw your sauce on it?
I'm gonna put my sauce on it. I think that's the best way to do it. So
you gonna put 2 with sauce on it first?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I guess.
Let me see what it does. You know?
I guess.
Challenge right here.
Makes sense.
I said I'm in my bag, but let's see if I'm in my bag today.
And we have a timer right here. You guys can see it. We set it up so you guys can see it go. I like a lot of sauce because I like it to be saucy.
Oh, would I treat that?
Okay. I don't like it to be too dry. But when it's dry, and you can drink.
So you can drink
this challenge as well. I didn't.
That's facts.
Yeah.
That's good to know.
Peter would have did it, but you know.
Peter was just chilling.
Peter was chilling. Peter was acting up. I want to make sure I give Peter his dues because, you know, I didn't do the challenge, so.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right. Let's get it popping, son.
All right, tell me when you're ready. Now press play.
I'm ready when you're ready, First Lady.
Okay.
You know what it is already.
And
Go.
I said 2, right? I'm done. Okay. No talking. The hardest part about this challenge is not talking.
How much time am I doing? What the hell? So what time it look like up there?
So I messed up. It's right. You just keep on going till you hear the beep.
I heard you in my mouth. From my beard.
Peter had a beard too. Where's that? I hope I can do it.
You go just eat. Try to eat, so you eating two at a time. Yeah, please, come. Tell me you're ready.
Ooh.
Wow.
I do not have a big mouth.
Come on.
3 minutes.
3 minutes?
3 minutes left.
Sorry.
You're acting crazy over there. Fuck. I'm like,
Freeze it.
before you
No, we got it in.
I'm gonna tell you when I messed it up.
I don't want them beating on camera.
No.
Oh, freeze it, come on. Come on.
You can do it, honey. This is funny to me. Because, you know why it's funny? I'm gonna tell you why. I don't care. I'm talking. Okay, I'm eating. I feel like I'm eating slow. Oh shit! Oh shit!
This is my last one.
Good job.
Talk to me.
45 seconds. Huh? I eat one right now. I got a mess over here.
32? That's close.
Woo!
That's not your tongue. That's good. That's good.
Let's go! Come on! You got it! Chew it in your mouth! Chew it in your mouth! Hey, chew it in your mouth! Take this one. Come on!
I can't.
God damn! You ain't doing it in your mouth!
I still got a wound.
He won!
I tried.
Yo! And the beard man eat up all the food.
I tried, I tried, guys.
It was this close.
It's all good.
You had it though.
I can't, that thing, man.
Oh my god. It was messy. How much I ate? I ate
You
it.
still got one, and you got basically two. And
I basically 4.
4. Not bad.
I didn't beat Peter's thing.
That time run by fast, yo. Tried.
Guys, I already knew. Eating challenges for me,
That was good though.
it was good. I'm still do them too. I don't care. You have one?
Oh, what happened?
Yeah.
Take it time to eat.
I will still do them.
You gonna say you at the first bite you say you full.
No, shut up.
Shout out to everybody that did this. No? Was a good one.
Thanks, Peter.
Thank you, Peter. Tom tried. Tom and then Jerry. Jerry tried too. You did good though, First Lady.
Okay. You know who's waiting for this? Tamia.
Yeah,
She loves her taco.
She said, Daddy, make sure you just eat 3 large bites, but don't choke. Girl, I tried it. Whew. My gums is all cut up right now. You know I don't like hard talking like that. But it was good though.
It was good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And if you haven't already subscribed,
Don't forget to like. We tried to share some today, but it didn't work. Comment, right? And yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. I miss anything?
and share. But you
And
ain't said
I
it.
already shared. I already shared it. So First Lady, do your thing.
Wow. Guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang.
Bye. Bye, Peter.